Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Blake Cory again here today, and super excited for today's show and video because it's all about mission and core focus. What most businesses, or I should say almost all businesses in real estate are missing, and it's the secret sauce. It's that secret sauce that you need to have an explosion in your business. So let's jump into the show. All right, everyone. Hey, we're going to be talking about mission and core focus inside your real estate business. It's something that the really successful businesses in life, in the world right now, but the majority of real estate businesses, they don't have. I mean, and most real estate agents don't even know what I'm referring to. So this may be brand new information for you today, but it reminds me of a story. So I'm on the phone and I'm talking to a student the other day and I'm asking her a series of questions. And I said, hey, why does your business exist? Well, to help real estate agents. Okay, share with me the mission, the passion, the vision statement that you have that everything is filtered through in your business. Oh man, our mission statement. Yeah, well, I've got it on the wall. It's, and she couldn't think of it. And I said, wrong answer. A mission statement or vision or purpose statement, it has to be alive in your business, man. It has to be alive. It has to be thriving. It has to be a living, eating, breathing substance. It's not just something that's written on a wall. So my question for each and every one of you guys out there is like, why does your business exist? Why does your business exist? Why are you in business? Making money is a byproduct of it. That's not why you're in business. I can tell you why our business exists. This is a master statement. The multiple businesses that I have and that I run, it's an overarching statement that affects all of them because it's all filtered through. I don't have businesses like there was a real estate agent in town who had an exotic car rental business, a sock business, and a real estate business. That's not what I'm talking about. I mean, those kind of guys call themselves serial entrepreneurs, but they have no idea about what Jim Collins calls the hedgehog concept, which is all about keeping everything under one main umbrella. See, I'm in the business of helping people fulfill their dreams. That's what I'm in business about. Like that's what our business is about, is helping people fulfill their dreams. So one of the first things that I have to do as a business owner is when people come, I got to understand what are their dreams? What are the dreams? What are the dreams of the sales agents on my team? What are the dreams of the support staff on my team? What are the dreams of the buyers? And what are the dreams of the sellers? Even the real estate agents that I work with, all over the country, like what are your dreams? Because that's why I exist. That's why my businesses, they exist. Okay, so you have to have a clear and precise mission or vision that's shared by everyone in your organization. And you should be reinforcing that over and over and over again because that starts to build culture. And culture is part of the secret sauce. People and culture together create the secret component to explosion in your real estate business. And then the second part of that is core focus. Like what is the focus of your business? Yes, we are in the business of helping people fulfill their dreams, but how do we do it? What's the one thing you do better than anyone else in the world? For me, for our businesses, that is helping people build a real estate business. That's what I help do better than anyone in the world. That's where I stand on the top of the mountain and say, listen, there are a lot of coaches, trainers, mentors out there throughout the real estate industry. There's a lot of amazing team leaders and brokers, but I help people build real estate businesses in today's market better than anyone in the world. And that's what we reinforce. That's where everything is filtered through. Does this help our ideal avatar create a level 10 real estate business, to create a level 10 life, to actually help them achieve their dreams? And when you start to live that and your people start to live that and you guys have a clear and precise focus of what you do better than anyone in the world, guys, it's a game changer. Now, a lot of you guys may, listening, you may be individual agents, you may be out helping buyers buy and sellers sell, and you may be like, wow, like you're talking on a whole nother level. Guys, this is what you're missing. Stop playing business and start running a business. This is a key component to any successful business. And I'm not talking about just in real estate. I'm talking about in all business. Fortune 50, Fortune 500 companies. This is what they have to get right first. This is what they're working on. Guys, you need to do the same. You absolutely need to do the same. And maybe you're working with buyers and sellers and you want to be the best real estate experience company in your marketplace. God bless you. But get that focus, and then everything that happens in your real estate business is around giving people like buyers and sellers a level 10 service. But if you've never heard this from your office manager or broker or your other coaches, whatever it is, you have to start to think like, what are they really helping you with? Are they just helping you get really good at real estate, or are they helping you build a successful business that is running and operating and changing people's lives? Because I'm going to tell you this, like, if you're not in the business to change other people's lives and to affect the world in a great and massive way, you guys are completely missing the boat. Imagine making all the money in the world, making tons of money, having all kinds of freedom, and God has granted you the ability to change people in a positive way, to affect change and positivity in the world, to employ people, to help give people housing, to help remove stress off people, to educate people. I mean, think about the gifts you've been given. Real estate is one of the most amazing vehicles to share this gift, but you have to understand what your mission and your core focus is, and then you've got to execute. So I know I went off on a little bit of a tangent today, but this is something I'm extremely passionate about. It's missed. It is not talked about by most people in real estate. And it's something that it just has to be. It has to be brought up to the focal point of our conversations. But most real estate brokers, office managers, coaches, they don't get it. They don't get it. They think you're just playing business, guys. I want to help you stop playing business and start having a business so you can start affecting change in the world. Guys, thanks so much for joining me on today's show. I'll catch you next time.